Hello, in the following video we are going to show how it works the connection between Pyplan and an Excel file. In this case, we build a file that contains certain reports that are usually shared with different areas and that also have a common characteristic. These kind of reports need to be updated with some frequency, and that implies that all the information has to be secure and fast rushed from the system to the file. So Pyplan Add solved this problem. Here we have a P&L report, a balance sheet report, and the OPEX report. Each of these reports contain the structure that has been considered in the Pyplan system, and that allow us to do some drill down of the report. Here in the P&L, for example, we can view all the segregated accounts and sum up them to view the aggregated ones, like gross margin, net income, EBITDA, all this information. Also, these files allow us to add some extra information that is useful for the analysis. In this case, we add the last historical month as an indicator of the last actual month in the system. These type of indicators can be either pushed from the system or add them manually. Here we add it manually, and is really useful for the analysis. On the other hand, we have the OPEX report that have more disaggregation, more dimensions, and all the information that is contained there allow us to view it with all the detail that we need for the occasion. So, how is updated the information from Pyplan to the Excel file? Well, these sheets, the green ones, had the ID that relates the node in Pyplan with the file. So when we want to update this information, in this case the P&L, we have to connect to Pyplan, previously install the extension, add server address, the username, and login, choose the company, and immediately we have the detail of the model that is open at this moment. So when we want to update information, remembering that this model that is open contains all the latest inputs and the latest assumptions of the model, we have to click in the bottom Update Data for Current Node. In a few seconds, the system pushed all the information from Pyplan to the Excel file. So the following step has to be refresh the pivot table, and all the latest information in Pyplan is now in the Excel file. So what happens next if we want to create a new report? Let's talk about, for example, the cash flow report. The step has to be get data from Pyplan, type the ID of the report in Pyplan that contains cash flow information, choose it, and in a matter of seconds, now we have a new sheet with the ID that relates the information between Pyplan and the Excel file, and with this type of information, easily we can create a pivot table to view all the information contained in the cash flow report easily and consuming easily.